Hey everyone, and welcome back. We've been building some incredibly powerful RAG systems, but they've all had one thing in common. They rely on a single knowledge base. But what if your AI needed to be an expert in multiple distinct fields? What if you wanted it to query information from different departments, products, or domains all at once? Today, we're solving that problem by building a multi-index RAG, an AI that can search across multiple specialized knowledge bases simultaneously to give one comprehensive answer. So, what exactly is multi-index RAG? Instead of creating one monolithic index for all our data, we distribute the data across several specialized indexes. Imagine it like a campus of specialized libraries, one for AI, one for machine learning, and one for natural language processing. When we ask a question, our AI dispatches a team of researchers to all these libraries at once. This approach is not only more organized, but also highly efficient and scalable, allowing us to handle vast and diverse information while keeping retrieval fast and accurate. Our implementation follows a four-step process. First, we retrieve the most relevant documents from each of our specialized vector stores. Second, we combine all that information into a single rich context. Third, using this combined context, our language model generates a final comprehensive answer. And fourth, for transparency, our AI explains how it used information from the different sources to construct the answer, so we can see exactly which knowledge base contributed what. Now, let's dive into the code. We start by installing our essential libraries: LangChain, Groq for our LLM, ChromaDB for our vector stores, and sentence transformers for embeddings. Once installed, we import everything we need and set up our API keys for Groq and Hugging Face. Links are in the description for free access. Our code is neatly structured. A function loads and processes data from URLs, and another creates multiple vector stores. Here's where the multi-index architecture really comes to life. We have 3 Wikipedia pages, one on artificial intelligence, one on machine learning, and one on NLP. We process each page into document chunks, and in our create vector stores function, we loop through them to create a separate ChromaDB vector store for each topic. The result is a list of specialized knowledge bases rather than a single general one. At the heart of the project is the multi_index_RAG function. It iterates through each vector store, performing a similarity search to find the top 3 relevant documents per index. Each document is labeled with its source, so we always know where information comes from. All these labeled documents are combined into a single unified context, which is incredibly rich and detailed. Then, we run 2 prompts. The first instructs the LLM to generate a final answer using this combined context, and the second asks the LLM to explain which sources contributed to constructing that answer. It's time to see the multi-index RAG in action. We initialize the Groq LLM and create our vector stores from the 3 Wikipedia pages. Our query is designed to touch all topics. How do AI, machine learning, and NLP relate to each other in modern applications? The output is impressive. The final answer is a comprehensive overview, showing that machine learning is a part of AI and NLP is a specialized field within it, seamlessly integrating concepts from all 3 domains. The source usage explanation is even more powerful. The AI explicitly states which sources it used, detailing how each one contributed to the final response. This transparency is the real strength of a multi-index RAG. And that's how you build a multi-index RAG system. A scalable, transparent, and highly capable AI that synthesizes information from multiple specialized knowledge bases. This is a significant step towards building enterprise-grade, real-world AI applications. The complete code is available on my GitHub, link in the description, so you can clone it and experiment yourself. If you're excited about building the future of AI, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and connect with me on LinkedIn and GitHub. Thanks for watching and happy coding.